Welcome back to the course Information Systems Strategy. In the sixth lecture of this course, we address information technology risk. In the previous lecture, we learned about various IT integration strategies, various IT governance archetypes, and the board's responsibility with regard to IT governance. In this lecture, we address chapters 10, 11, and 18 of the textbook, where the CIO Jim Barton has to manage an IT crisis, a kind of data breach. We try to figure out what lessons we can learn from Jim Barton about responding to an IT crisis. Uh, we also try to help Jim Barton to answer the question of what customer contact strategy he should use after this data breach. After this class, you can define IT risk and enumerate various types of IT risk and provide examples for them. You can describe possible responses to IT risk by business and IT. You can also describe various crisis customer contact strategies. In the next video, I will explain how to respond to an IT crisis.